Alright, who's leading?
I want to film you guys. So are you guys all filming?
I can lead. Okay. Matt, you lead. Yeah, because you're the only one that
and
knows.
Dave, I want to film you on my bike actually. So get.
This is fun. This thing is so flickable.
Oh man.
Oh gosh, I feel weird. This is so like aggressively upright. I'm not used to this.
Oh man, Ian's bike, the street wind is so comfortable. Oh my god.
That's true. This thing is sweet. I like this bike.
It is so comfortable.
This thing is it's definitely like really chuggy.
Oh,
And,
this is not flickable at all.
It's very knobby. Like I can feel the knobby tires. It's very bumpy, but I like it.
Doesn't like to rev, so probably don't bother taking it over 5. There's not much point. Yeah.
I think your ABS check engine light and oil light on.
Because it's not running yet. Service not reset. It is an awful test.
My bars are twisted?
Your bars are twisted. I'm significantly pointing to the left but going straight.
What?
It's fine, just do it. It's scary. It's literally done that before the accident. It's always been like that. It's got a sketchy.
Okay, Eli, if you can't tell that that is off, I don't know what's wrong with you. It's so far off.
Oh yeah, it totally is.
It's way off.
Look at it from the side. Oh yeah, it totally is.
It's like, whoop.
Look at mine are totally off too.
Like,
I think all of ours are. Like you can't notice when you're riding it. Like I didn't notice.
it is way off.
It is.
Yeah. All you need to do is
It's not gonna fix it.
just hold it like that and twist it.
The wheel's not straight.
Look at it from the side. Oh my god. If it's pointed that way,
Yeah.
the bar is that way.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you just fixed it. Just.
It was probably me being fat and getting
Yeah.
the bike and then I twisted it over.
Yeah. Yeah.
That makes me nervous how easily you can do that.
Oh no, we're supposed to be on the line. Back tire on the line.
Oh, that's pretty good, I think. Oh, look at it.
He's self security. Yeah.